Top 5 Watercolor Brands for Beginners. Are you just getting started with watercolor painting? Are you overwhelmed by the number of brands and types of paint available? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll be sharing our top 5 watercolor brands for beginners. When it comes to watercolor painting, the quality of the paint can make a big difference in the final result. That's why it's important to choose a brand that's known for its high-quality pigments and easy to use. Starting off at number 5, we have Windsor Newton. This brand has been around for over 150 years and is known for producing high-quality paints with great light fastness and transparency. Number 4 is Daniel Smith, which offers a wide range of colors and is known for its excellent granulation and staining properties. Number 3 is Holbein. This Japanese brand is known for its high-quality pigments, excellent light fastness and for its great consistency in color and texture. Number 2 is Seinelier. This French brand is known for its high-quality pigments, great light fastness and for its consistency in color and texture. And the number 1 spot goes to Windsor Newton's Cotman watercolor line. This line is a great option for beginners because of its affordability while still having great quality pigments and consistency. Thanks for watching. We hope this list helps you in your search for the perfect watercolor paint brand. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more art tutorials and inspiration.